guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I look like a very hot mess today, and honestly, I frankly don't care. I'm not embarrassed or anything to make this video while looking like this at all. It's just I've been up all day doing laundry. I haven't gotten any sleep in the last couple days because Monday through Friday I run a daycare, and I'm not gonna lie, it's hard to have two children that aren't yours, let alone one of them isn't even 8 weeks old yet. And then I have my daughter, and then I also have a little girl who's a month younger than my daughter. So two 2-year-olds, and then a almost 5-week-old baby. And it gets tiring. And soon I'm gonna have a 5-week-old baby. I'm gonna have a 1-year-old because she turns 1 in 2 weeks from now. And then I'll have the 2-year-olds, my daughter included. So it's been stressful. Anyway, I promised you guys a couple of videos ago, and I had an arrow pointing at it. There was going to be a junk drawer video. We're going to be showing you guys. I do have a few, just the small baskets. And then I have some labels that we're going to use. I have to get more of these. I just got a few of them to see if I could use them for anything. And I didn't want to get too many in case I couldn't use them because, honestly, I don't like the declutter. I don't like using these just because I feel like they just clutter more because they're just objects, you know. So I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1 for 3 of them. We're gonna see how it works out. If you guys want to see me declutter my junk drawer, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so this is what this thing looks like. Everything's just everywhere. I have a ton of stuff. I have a folder in here that I actually want to use. I have a few things in there right now. So I'm going to make sure that I use that. And then I have a bunch of other stuff. It's just a mess in here. You don't get it. If anybody else has a kitchen drawer like this or any kind of drawer like this, a bathroom drawer, make sure you guys are doing this with me because it's going to make you feel so much better once you are officially finished. These are just like my math papers telling me like what bills I'm going to be paying. We paid $2,300 worth of bills, and we live in New York State. And it's ridiculous. Most of it's renting. It's so expensive here. I cannot wait until I own my own home. I realize some of you are going to catch me on that saying, oh, well, you're still going to have bills to pay. I realize that, but we pay $700 a month just for rent. That doesn't include anything else. That doesn't include our necessities or anything, or for our child. So that's a lot of money. But anyway, let's get straight into decluttering this. First thing I'm going to start by doing is once I get everything out, I'm going to sort everything. This envelope, I'm not going to look in here or get rid of anything. This is all of our important documentation that we absolutely need, like birth certificates, stuff like that, extra copies. These are not our original birth certificates. We keep our other ones in our lock safe, but we need to make sure that we have those aside. Okay, so that's done. The first thing I'm going to do before I start sorting everything is I'm going to grab a cloth, I'm going to spray the inside here, and I'm going to wipe it down really quick just because I like things to be clean. I feel like this drawer has been becoming so weighed down that it's starting to fall apart, and I'm not impressed by that at all. I think I have too much junk. Alright, so we already did that. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to sort through things that we absolutely need, what we don't need, starting with this tape. This tape does not stick very well. It's old. I think I'm just going to toss it because I don't need it anymore. So there we go. These we absolutely need because these are our phone cards for this month coming up. Our phone runs out in like 2 or 3 weeks. We're going to keep those and we're going to just toss them over there. These are my extra glasses and so on. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to start going through. Okay, now I have everything basically sorted. These are my legally exempt childcare provider packets. for my daycare. I'm going to set these aside because I have to get an extra folder from the Dollar Tree for that. And for this folder, I'm going to place anything else that I may need so that I can reach it whenever it is absolutely necessary. I'm going to add my car seat manual in here. And if there's anything else, I have some ideas for videos on this, so I'm just going to go ahead and, I guess I'll leave this out and I'll write it on in my journal later. I have like a journal for my YouTube and editing profile that I use, so we'll put that in there. This we no longer need. We're actually just going to stuff these in here for now so I have them and don't make a mess again. And I guess this as well. I'll just have to remember it's in there. And this. We're going to close that up. And then I'm going to take this. I only have like one more page in here that's not written on, so once I look back and see if I need any of it, I'm just going to go ahead and toss it when I'm done. Okay, so here's one thing that is perfect. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to start putting everything away. So the last thing that I did was I just wrote on these what they actually are. I have one for a few things of crafts. I have a miscellaneous one. And then I also have one for my markers and my mini clothespins that I use. I use them a lot. So anyway, we're just going to pop these back in here and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Everything now has its own place. And I feel so good about it. It's been months since we moved in. This drawer has just become a declutter drawer and it's just gotten out of control and ridiculous, but I promised you guys one in our last video, so I figured let's make that happen. We added our checkbook over here on the side. So anyway, if you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not done so already. Let me know down in the comments if you guys did this video along with me, and if you guys have any areas that are decluttered, or what's the worst area that gets decluttered in your home. Of course, mine is the kitchen drawer. Nothing else really gets decluttered unless I'm bad at it. Bad at cleaning it up. So anyway, hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless you. Bye.